The G train, also known as the Brooklyn-Queens Crosstown Local Line. I have a few announcements to make before we begin with this review. We are currently having technical difficulties with MobiZ at the moment, so at the time for this review, we're going to be using Apple's screen recording built-in camera, which is probably used for screen recording. But anyways, the second one I want to make is I apologize for the long wait for this review. I know I've been busy with a lot of stuff, and it's been a struggle. And also, last announcement to make. I just want to say congratulations to the MTA, who has officially resumed 24-hour service after a long 2020 break. And MTA decided that we're going to be resuming 24-hour service. So that means overnight routes B99, BX99, and M99 are discontinued as of 5/17/2021. But anyways, without further ado, let's get started with this review. Starting out at Court Square, where it transfers to the E, M, and 7 trains. Then to 81st Street. And as we leave Queens, we're going to Brooklyn now. So, next is Greenpoint Avenue. And then it goes into Nassau Avenue, Metropolitan Avenue, transferring to the L train. Next is Broadway. Then next is Flushing Avenue. Myrtle Avenue, Willoughby Avenues is next stop. That's a rare station to pronounce, but whatever. Next up is Bedford Notion Avenues. Couldn't pronounce it for a second. Next is Crescent Avenue. Next is Clinton Washington Avenues, Fulton Street, and then the White Sherman Streets, transferred to the AC trains. Next is Bergen Street, transferred to the F train. Next is Carroll Street. Next is Smith 9th Street. 4th Avenue, 9th Street is next up, transferred to the F and R trains. And next is 7th Avenue, heading into 15th Street, Prospect Park. Then 4 Hamilton Parkway, and then Church Avenue, the last stop, transferred to the F train. It was kind of a short list, but at least we got through it. Now let's see what trains and manufacturers it runs on. So the J train currently runs on R68As, R160s, and R46 full-length trains. This started when I believe COVID started, but because the subways were shut down at the time, but they use full-length subways. So, at the time, they really didn't have full-length service. And it was pretty rare to see an R160 G train. I mean, I did see it, if you guys can see my Instagram, but go follow me there. And also, I now have a Twitter account and Xbox Live. If you want to follow me or you want to play with me, you can always check out my gamer tag. Gamer tag is Galaxy Plays 560. I'm only giving this out to my fans because my friends and fans. But don't worry, it's not public yet. But yeah. But overall, I would give the G train, this line, a 7 out of 10 because I barely see any of the full length R160s nor R46s in the G train lines. But yeah. So thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. J-Chair review is coming up soon, and then once I'm done with the BMT, I will be moving on to rare/discontinued lines like the V9 and other things. But anyways, I'll see you soon. Peace.